Okay, hi YouTube. Today I'm gonna be showing you tutorial how to shove for the card. Okay, let's get right into it. So first up, you need these hands. One hand like this, and then you just take off a part, and then your hands need to be take one side like this, and like this. So two fingers are going to be right here and one finger's right here. So and then the thumb, the pointer need to be like this, and then you just do like this, and then like this. So like this, and then your pointer gonna be like this, and then you just put one part. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and then you just press it like this, and then just like this, and then just like this. Okay, so another part we have the next part of these cards is about the easy ones. So you just gotta do like this, just gotta do like this, and then so yeah. And then another trick, you just fly up. So just go like this, and then like this, and then like this. So the last one, your hands are gonna be straight. You're not gonna really fall. So you're just like it's gonna be straight. Just like this, and then just like this. Okay, so that's for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up. Bye. Bye.